Gotta take a bow. She got everybody always trying to know how. Sean Ara is. She the baddest and the truest.
Hi guys, as you people may or may not know, I'm on vacation, and let me tell you guys something. This place is extremely hot. I was just in the sun for like 2 days, and boom, just like that, my foundation is not my color anymore. I'm like 2 shades darker than my foundation. So in case you realize a little mismatch between my face and my neck, please just bear with me, okay, and give me your honest suggestions and opinions on what I should do to make it better. And on that note, now that that has been set aside, let us jump straight into the video. So this video has been sponsored by Alipearl, and yeah, thank you Alipearl for working with me. This is such an honor, and this is what it came with. First and foremost, it had a cup, a wig cup, a brush, a tiny little brush that is very important for your edges. You need it. And there's this band that you tie on your hair if you're trying to lay the edges and whatnot, the other stuff. A blue one for that matter, as you guys can see. And then came with very thick eyelashes. I was just about to hit you with the eyebrows, and I remembered it's not eyebrows. And then there's also these headbands that are cute. I would rock them as well. And there's this extra band that you can use for the back of your hair or for the front, whatever. Now let's get to the wig. The wig is 22 inches, man. 22 inches. It's 180 hair density. I'm gonna leave all the description on the description box down below, and I'm gonna leave a direct link as well. This is a V-part wig. I already cut it, and it has all these pins that you can use to secure your wig. 5 of them, 5 in total, that are very secure, so that you make sure that your wig doesn't fall down. If we say a V-part, guys, meaning that this wig doesn't need any glue at all. You can actually leave some little hair out if you want, but I don't usually fancy leaving some hair out, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. I've done it before, but you guys just need to be keen. I'm just gonna throw it up there. I'm not gonna sew it in. I'm not gonna leave out some little hair. You can see my hair is a little bit messy. Yeah, a little bit messy. So let's jump straight into this video.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And just like that, we are done, guys. I honestly feel like this is something that you can do if you are in a rush and you need to like quickly go to the club with the girls and you need to quickly fix your hair and you don't have the whole day or the whole time, or you need to go and run some errands. And at this point, my African ancestors were like, can you try and put this thing on top of your head and just see how it turns out? And immediately they said, no child, just take it. But I was trying to fight the urge and just leave it on top there, but they were like, no, Sean, just take it off. The wig is okay on its own. So that's the end of it, guys. Let me know what you guys really think. Would you rock this hair? Is it something that you can consider? And once again, thank you, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. And every description is on the description box. Every link is down there, as well as my special code. Bye bye, guys. I love you.
Give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah. Your love.